Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DL Boots.
Have you ever thought about turning your backyard into your own movie theater? I decided to give it a try, and in this video I am going to show you how I created a large movie screen using simple, affordable materials. The main structure is made from PVC pipes that I bought at Home Depot. PVC worked really well for this project because it's affordable, lightweight, and easy to put together. It also allowed me to build a screen large enough to create a movie theater experience right in my backyard. I started by connecting the PVC pipes to build the base. I wanted the structure to be wide and stable, so I added several supports along the bottom. These supports help keep the screen standing and prevent it from tipping over, especially when it's windy outside. Once the base was finished, I connected the vertical pipes to build a large rectangular frame that will hold the screen. This was probably the most exciting part because I could finally see how big the finished screen was going to be. For the actual screen, I used two white sheets. I attached them to the PVC pipe frame and stretched them out as much as possible. I also used a rope to create tension and help keep the sheet in place. Getting the fabric tight as possible is important because it gives you a smoother surface and makes the projected image look much better. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. As long as the sheets are secure and reasonably smooth, they can work very well as an outdoor projection screen. After finishing the screen, it was time to set up the projector. Believe it or not, I found this projector for free on Facebook Marketplace. That was a great find and helped make this project even more affordable. I placed the projector on the other side of the backyard and adjusted its position until the image filled with the screen. You might need to move the projector forward and backwards a few times to get the right picture size and focus. Of course, an outdoor movie theater also needs a comfortable place to sit, or in this case, to lie down. I brought out an air mattress so we could relax and enjoy the movie comfortably. Add some pillows, blankets, snacks, and maybe a few backyard lights, and the entire space begins to feel like your own private theater. The best part of this project isn't just a large screen or being able to watch a movie outside. It's having a special place where I can spend time and build memories with my son. Sometimes the simplest projects can create the most meaningful experience. A regular evening at home can become a family movie night that we'll remember for years. This setup can also be used for much more than movies. You can invite friends and families over to watch a big sport game, connect a gaming system and play video games on a giant screen, or even just for a special celebration. If you have a backyard, this is a fun and fairly affordable project to try. You do not need expensive equipment or professional construction skills. With PVC pipes, white sheets, some rope, and a projector and a little creativity, you can create something the whole family can enjoy. I am really happy how my backyard movie theater turned out. Now it's time to bring the popcorn, get comfortable, and enjoy the show. And please do not forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time for the next build.